Okay, let's see, can we create some Pythagorean triples? And let's start with actually the very first set, which is 3, 4, 5. So we already said that if we take each particular integer and scale it up, and we scale it up by 2, and we can create the next set or next triple, which is 6, 8, and 10. Well, what about if we took the same triples and scale them up by 3? So here we would have 3 times 3, we would have 4 times 3, and we will have 5 times 3. Well, that's going to give us 9, 12, and 15. So we need to really check this. So we did check this one in the prior video, but let's go ahead and check this one to make sure that that works. So we have a squared plus b squared will equal to c squared, and of course that's 9 squared plus 12 squared should equal to 15 squared. I'm looking at 81 plus 144 should equal to 225. So if I add 144 plus 81, I do indeed get 225. So 225 equals to 225. Well, what happens if we take it and scale it by 4? What are we going to get? And again, we're trying to see how can we use these first one to our advantage. So if we scale 3, 4, 5 by 4, we will have 3 times 4, 4 times 4, 5 times 4. That's going to give us the integers 12, 16, and 20. So let's check these as well and see. Well, we definitely know that c squared is 400, 12 squared is 144, and 16 squared, and we can either multiply that or look on our perfect square menu, 256. So if we add, we indeed get 400 is equal to 400. So I think what this is telling us here is we can scale this original, the first ones, we can scale each one of these. We're looking at 3, 4, 5, 5, 12, 13, 9, 40, 41. These are some Pythagorean triples, and we can scale these by any non-zero integer, by any positive integer. Let's put it like that. And as long as it's greater than 0, should I say greater than 1, and guess what? We will get a different set of Pythagorean triples, and that will definitely help us in creating them. Now there's a different way also that Equilube, I think Equilube, no, let's keep it a little simpler than what Equilube was talking about, and we'll come back here in a minute and see how we can construct the very first ones and then go forward. All right, guys.